In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and extend frames in the Xsheet timeline. If you're adjusting timing in an animation, you'll often need to make room for a new pose or hold a drawing a little longer. And the Xsheet, sometimes called the timeline, is where you control that timing. We'll keep this simple and precise so you can follow along without derailing your workflow. First, make sure the Xsheet is open and visible. This is the vertical grid where your animation lives, with frames running down the rows and your layers arranged as columns. Each column represents a level, like a character, a prop, or a background element. Working in the correct column is crucial because everything you do will affect only that selected level. Click to select the column where you want to add the new frame. Selecting the right column ensures you're not shifting or extending the wrong layer by accident. Now move to the exact cell at the frame number where you want the change to happen. This cell marks the point in time you're targeting. A careful click here saves you from surprises later. Right-click directly on that cell to open the context menu. From the menu, choose Insert Frame. This tells the Xsheet to insert a blank space at that point. When you do this, all frames after the selected cell shift forward by one frame. Think of it like slipping a new sheet into a stack of paper. Everything behind it moves down, but nothing gets overwritten. This is a clean, non-destructive way to create room for a new drawing, a transition, or a timing adjustment without losing any work. If your scene includes elements in multiple columns that need to stay perfectly synced, keep an eye on alignment and adjust other columns as needed so your action still lines up. Sometimes, though, you don't want to push anything forward, you just want a drawing to hold longer. In that case, right-click the same cell and choose Extend Drawing. Instead of making a gap, this simply increases the exposure of the current drawing in place. It's ideal for adding a pause, sustaining a mouth shape in lip sync, or holding on a pose without changing timing elsewhere. A quick tip: if something doesn't look right after inserting or extending, use undo and try again on the correct column or frame. Scrubbing the timeline to preview the change helps confirm your timing before you move on. With these two options, Insert Frame and Extend Drawing, you have precise control over your animation's pacing while keeping your layers organized and intact.